We drive it down from
Wait, before that,
whatever.
but remember, so I had gotten a word from the Lord in my own prayer time. He was like, I'm going to pay your car off.
Yeah.
And I was like, yo, okay, that would be cool because we done put 4,000 in. Like, that would be a real gift from you. Like, you going to pay it off? Like, because we had a car loan on it. You know what I'm saying?
I
What?
didn't tell you this. This just came to me.
What?
That was the gift from God.
The car loan part?
No, him showing you he can give it to you and pay for it.
Yeah. It's like, because it ended up, when I was always saying the scripture, I'm like, the blessings of the Lord are rich and addeth no sorrow. I'm like,